Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain how to create cost center in SAP through T code KS01. Otherwise you can follow the path like accounting, then go to controlling, then cost center accounting, then go to master data, here cost center, then click on individual processing. Here is you get the KS01, the T code. Double click on that, put the controlling area of your business, enter in which cost center you want to create, put the details of the cost center. Suppose I want to create 1001 F5. I am going to create a cost center for finance. Put the validity date from in which date you are going to create, put the same current date, from 31st December 410 for infinity use of. Then click on master data, put the name. Suppose I am creating the cost center for plant 2 finance department. Put the description, finance department cost center. You have to put the person responsible. Person responsible means higher authority of this finance team or finance department, like CFO. Put the department. Department is finance cost center category, in which category the cost center will be found, like finance hierarchy. Then put the profit center. Then there is so many types like control, templates, address, communication history. In control you have to click actual revenue, planned revenue, then click on save. A pop-up message will become like cost center has been created. If you want to display this cost center, go to KS03, put T code /n KS03 in command bar, click on enter, then click on master data. This is the cost center which already we have created right now. If you want to change the cost center, then go to the T code /n KS02, click on master data. If you want to change any like name, description, person responsible, anything, you can change here. Then click on save. Automatically a pop-up message shown. There is no changes in this cost center because I am not doing anything in this. Thank you.